let's welcome vibrant V. Let's sing it.
Try big slam round the village. Try big slam round the village. Try big slam round the village.
Now, some words. Van. Volcano. Vegetables. Vet. Violet. Violin. Now you work and look for the V in the words. Ready? Okay. Waves. River. Duvet. Cover. Cave. Village. Vet. Vest. Vampire. Now let's write the V. We start from the red broken line down to the blue solid line and up again to the red broken line. We go down and up, down and up. Now you do it on your own and say it. Down and up, down and up. Very well done. Now if you're still here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you get notified whenever there's a new video out. Good. I'll see you in the next letter. Bye!